I have a AC. The AC is leaking water from here, this area, leaking water. For solve this problem, okay, the tube is here. You put the tube of the vacuum cleaner and turn off the vacuum cleaner for 2-3 minutes. After that, turn off and take out. And the cleaning the tube. That's make the clean the tube because the water when leaking, the problem inside the tube is dirty, maybe dusty, there's something inside. But with a vacuum cleaner, we can clean inside and solve the problem of leaking of AC. Thank you very much.